I'm going to turn to you now, Florian, if I may. I think on one hand, it feels like cars and motorbikes, vehicles have essentially stayed the same for the last 100 years. You know, it has an engine, it has steering and brake controls, accelerator, brake, and so on. But under the surface, of course, there's been some incredible developments in the technologies that underpin those vehicles, not least in the having some sort of awareness of how the vehicle has been driven and if they've been involved in a serious collision. So I wondered if you could tell us about Bosch's work in this space and some of the things that we see currently and are coming in the near future.
Sure, yes, absolutely right. I think motorcycles still have two wheels, yeah. But after over the last years, Bosch has introduced quite a lot of technologies, even on the motorcycle segment. What is well known from technology-wise from passenger cars. But it happened a lot since the 90s when we started with ABS, coming to motorcycle stability control, adding some sensors in 2013. And latest innovations introduced to market is first radar-based, so the so-called advanced rider assistance systems. What is the first radar-based system? What also enables us for surround sensing. So we introduced functions like ACC. We have forward collision warning and even blind spot detection. What helps us quite a lot to assist our riders. So introducing this kind of technology makes motorcycle riding even safer, but even more comfortable without reducing the fun. And what is one big important part of motorcycle riding. And these additional technologies and sensors laid also the basis for future development. So, for example, we are using in our ABS system acceleration sensors and even speed information. And both of them are quite important sources, what allowed us to develop an automatic crash detection, what is in worst case something what is necessary. Using also the acceleration sensor, what we have on board, we were able to implement into the sensor by reusing just the same sensor. We were able to implement here the crash detection algorithm. So this is also the way how we develop here, that try to reuse what sources we have on the vehicles, to make motorcycle riding even safer.